Good morning students. Welcome back to today's class. I hope you all enjoyed all the summer vacations. Today I am going to teach you new chapter, that is chapter 6 fraction. Before going to the chapter, you had to learn what is a fraction. What is a fraction? Fraction is nothing but one whole part we want to divide several parts. For example, you take one watermelon. In watermelon we can cut how many parts we want. Several parts we can cut. That is called a fraction. Here, definition they gave here. A fraction is defined as a whole divided into a number of equal parts. This is called the fraction. Here some number they gave 2 by 7. Here 2. Above the line which number will come, that is called the numerator. Below the line we call the denominator. Here 2 is the numerator, 7 is the denominator. Understood children? How to read the fraction? 2 by 7. Above the line number, what we are saying? Numerator. Below the line, denominator. Exercise number 6.1. Following to show equivalent fraction. Here some picture they gave and they divided several parts also. How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 parts they divide and 2 by 10. 2 parts we want to shade. Numerator number what they get, that much we want to shade wherever you want. In this 10. 2 parts you shade here. Like this you want to shade 2 parts. Next here 1 by 5. How many parts they divide? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want to shade what the number is in the numerator. So 1 part we want to shade. Here 2 by 4. How many parts they divide? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 part we want to shade. Here or here, anywhere, want to shade. Here 4 by 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts they divide, we want to shade 4 parts. We want to shade 4 parts. Like this, you want to shade 4 by 8. Understood children? Next we move on to the second main. In each picture, write the fraction that is colored. Here, second main picture, you want to, fraction also they give, we have shaded. So here, in each picture, write the fraction. They gave the picture and they shaded also. You have to write the fraction for that. Here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 you have to write in the denominator. And above the line, how many parts they shade? That one you have to write in the numerator place. How many parts they shade? 2 parts. 2 by 9. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 write in the denominator. How many parts they shade? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. 4 want to write in the numerator place. 4 by 6. You have to read the fraction like this. Next, we will move on to the third main. Which of the following pairs are equivalent here? Here 2 fractions they gave. Which are equivalent we want to see. So here we want to write 5 by 9. Instead of and, had to write is equal to 45 by 81. In single table, we want to divide this. Single table, which one it will go here? From 9 ones are 9 5s are 45, 9 9s are 81. So here 5 by 9. So this is the equivalent. This is equivalent. Here they gave 11 11 by 12 and 22 by 55. Right here 11 by 12 is equal to 22 by 55. Here from 11 ones we can divide. 11 twos are 22. 11 fives are 55. But here 11 by 12 have here 2 by 5 came. Equivalent fraction. Eleven by 12, 22 by 55, not equivalent. Not equivalent to fraction. Not equivalent. Next here, 1 by 6 and 7 by 42. 1 by 6 is equal to 7 by 42. Here 7 6 are 42. So here 1 by 6, 1 by 6k. So this is the equivalent fraction. Understood children how to write equivalent and non-equivalent fraction. Move on to the next fourth main. Write down next 3 equivalent fraction for the following. Here 3 fraction they gave. You had to write the next 3 equivalent fraction. Raised plus 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 6 by 9 they gave. See, how they gave? 2 ones are tables. Easy. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Next, now 3 ones are tables. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. 8 by 12. Next, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. Next, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 12 by 18. Next here, 1 by 8, 2 by 16, 3 by 24. Continuation. 1 ones are tables. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4. Here, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 24, 8 fours are 32. Here, continuation number 5. Tables. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. Here 6. 8 fives are 48. So continuation 4 by 32, 5 by 40, 6 by 48. Up and down you have to see numerator and denominator what number they gave. That continuation tables you had to write. I hope you all understood today's class. This all write in these 4 mains I given now. 4 mains write in classwork neatly and send it in WhatsApp children. Thank you.